Variables, variables, variables. You keep hearing it in your Python lecture, but still wondering what it is. Well, in programming, we deal with data, and a variable is something to represent that data. Let me show you an example. Suppose the temperature in your location is 25 degrees Celsius. That's your data. Now, in Python, you can represent that data as t equals 25. So, the term t is your variable that is representing the data 25. Now, let's take another example. Say, my name is Emu. I can write name equals Emu. Here, the term name is the variable that is representing the data Emu. A variable can represent any type of data. For example, here it is representing a number, here it is representing a word, and here it is representing a sentence, and beyond, such as a document or a list of numbers. One question I often get is, how should I name my variables? Well, you have the full freedom to name your variables. For example, you can say x equals emu, or my name is emu, or any gibberish equals emu. Python won't complain, all of them will work. But for your own readability and for explaining to others, it is a good practice to keep the variable name short and meaningful. If you have any questions about variables, let me know in the comment. I'll try my best to answer. Also, if you want me to cover any particular topic related to data, comment that as well. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and follow me on TikTok or YouTube, where I post about data science to help understand the concepts and techniques for analyzing data so that you never feel stuck with data. Thanks for watching.